So this is my salad and it's almost half finished. It was like a mountain earlier. And I've been so into salad, so I just have cabbage here. I have like ground meat and then dressing. I also have cheese. So usually I put eggs and tomato in, but I don't have it today. So this is a very simple salad just for dinner. Hey guys, so I'm just gonna eat. So this is gonna be like sort of a mukbang. I've been into eating healthy lately. First of all, I'm on a diet. I miss my weight when I was in college, and I gained weight for like the past 3 years. But I'm gonna try to lose some weight. So I'm trying to cut my rice, fried foods. I'm trying to remove soft drinks, chips, and things like that, like just fatty things. So when I was 12, I was a roly-poly. And I went on a diet when I was about 13. So yeah, it was gradual. So since it was baby fat, it was a lot faster to burn the fats, and it took me like nine months to burn all those fats. And I didn't really have a secret. It was just really I was just really disciplined, and you really have to go on a diet. Like, it's remove the rice, coke, sugar, sweets. Really planning to do like diet tips, because I was really 200 pounds before. So I removed the rice for my breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and I would only eat boiled meat with cabbage, like something vegetable, like a boiled vegetable beside it, without any salt or anything like that. I remember my mom would make soup for me with cabbage only, and she didn't put any meat in it or anything, without any oil. So she would only put chicken cubes, and that's it. And as for the meat, it's not fried or anything. I don't know what you're supposed to call that, but it's just what I would do is I would boil the meat first. Normally, I would use pork chop with that. I put about like a cup of water, and then when it boils, you're gonna see the oils will go to the surface, and then I would remove that oil, and then I would boil it again, and then I put soy sauce and sometimes lemon. It's going to fry without the oil. So that continued for like many months. And I actually have a weird snack combination. And I don't know if I'm the only person who did that before. I like snacking on powdered milk and orange. Like, you know those Kit Kat small oranges? That is what I would eat for snacks. And I would also eat pineapple whenever I come home from school. I ate so much of it that my skin turned yellow. I was so scared. I thought I had hepatitis, but not. It was just because I had so much vitamin C in my body. Of course, I did some exercises. I would do cardio at home. I would go running every night. I dropped from 200 pounds to 114 in just 9 months.
It's true or not?
I'm sorry if I have the earphones today because I'm actually using the earphone microphone to record right now. By the way, I'm using my Samsung A7 phone to film this video. And the quality is actually really good. Actually, I haven't reviewed any electronic stuff on my channel, but if you guys want, oh, actually I did the warts removal pen. I actually want to review this phone as well, like gadgets, cameras. So if you guys want that, let me know. Wait, I'm just gonna try to finish this. I'm so addicted to salads. Like, I could finish a full plate of salad. Like, even if it's like a mountain, I can finish it. My favorite dressing would have to be Thousand Island, and then Caesar salad, Caesar dressing. And then I also like the ones with just olive oil and then vinegar. I don't know what vinegar they use, but there's a specific vinegar that's good for salads. What is that vinegar that they use for salads? Lemon? Oh yeah, lemon. Lemon and olive oil and then some pepper. Yeah!
What?
That one. I'm planning to get new piercings. What do you guys think? I'm planning to get one here and then one more here. So there's gonna be 3 or 4. But I'm scared that it's gonna be painful. I'm probably gonna watch videos later about it. The experience. If it's gonna be painful. Because I have really low pain tolerance. Like, I'm really scared. Even for injections, I'm so scared. So I don't know how I'm gonna take that.
I'm going to buy this super thin. I'm showing everything is very super thin.
Camera?
Yeah, everything, but clear, thin. You can put everywhere.
If you guys know where I can get my ears pierced, let me know the safest and best place for that. So where do you get that? Do I go to a jewelry shop or like a tattoo salon? I don't really know where to get my ears pierced, but yeah. Comment in the section down below because I'm really interested. Also, I'm planning to get a tattoo.
Okay.
I'm planning to get a tattoo. I always plan on getting a tattoo, but whenever I think seriously about it, I just back out because I feel like I'm just gonna ruin my skin. And right now, I'm not really sure yet. We're currently playing Tomb Raider on PS3. We just sold the PS4. I think that PS3 is better. What do you think?
PS4 better, of course, game problem to find.
Yeah, it's so difficult to find games and it's so expensive, honestly. Like, if you're just bored and you wanna play with games. I like PS3 more because there are so many more options.
Jailbreak.
And jailbreak as well. Want some? So I'm planning to do a mukbang video very soon. I'm still thinking if it's going to be like Indian food or Chinese food, Korean food. I'm not sure yet. Actually, there's so many Korean restaurants here and Japanese food as well. I want something that is unique, like something that I haven't tried before, like Egyptian food or like Mediterranean food, something like that. So this is the cabbage. I actually really like raw cabbage more than cooked, but I like it in bulalo. Oh, by the way, I really, really love coleslaw as well. It's one of my favorite salads. Mm. Oh, by the way, I colored my hair again. And if you guys watch my video about the L'Oreal, what's this? The Fashion Ultralights hair dye. I actually colored my hair again after that. I used the Revlon Color Silk in light brown. You guys know that I was disappointed with the hair color. But I'm going to review the Revlon Color Silk very soon. My hair looks messy right now so you can't even see the color. I actually really like the result of the Revlon one more. And cheese. I have like a slice of cheese here. Because I love cheese so much. I have the cheese medicine from Turkey, and we still haven't used it. I'm planning to make my own cheese very soon. And I'm still gonna look for tutorials on how to do it. And I wish that the cheese medicine is not yet expired. So I think you're supposed to buy like a full cream milk and then mix that with boiling water, the cheese medicine, and you'll be able to create your own cheese. But I'm still not yet sure. I need to do my research about it. So I think I'm gonna end my video because I just want to finish this and then clean my makeup table, and then I'm gonna watch some videos after that and then go to sleep because this is my dinner. And tomorrow I think I'm gonna do another salad, probably with onions in it. I love salads with onions as well. So this is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me eat my salad. If you guys want more videos like this, like kind of chit chat and then just hanging out with you guys, let me know. And before I go, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and click the notification bell. And I hope you guys are having a great weekend or maybe weekday. I'm not sure when I'll be able to upload this, but I hope to see you guys again in my next video. Bye!